May the Almighty bless you with success. But in life, take exams as just another day. We give our efforts, we put our efforts, we appear in exam to be better, because the Almighty says that struggle in your life. It's okay. We are born to struggle. It's absolutely okay. But don't take it on nerves. It's not something for which it's not the final thing in exam. It's not. So take it as another day. Success comes our way, we are the happiest. Unfortunately, if you're having a shortcoming, we learn from it. Just keep a very positive mindset. You will be successful. I'll give you my words. I am there, but you would see that your attire would be too good if you'll feel another day of your life. That's it. Okay? Nobody is assessing you. There's no failure in this exam. You would be, the chances of passing, the chances of clearing would be higher in that case. Understood, everybody?